And so, yeah, we're back with another, how not to repair your laptop's GPU fan. So, I got, the replacement fan here. It's not an unboxing because there is no box. You only think there is a box, but there is no box. I am still praying that, this fan that I bought is compatible with, my computer. I hope GPU fans are standard. Uh, let's open up the laptop. The way I do it is after unscrewing all the screws, I try to keep them on and lift them, lift my laptop slowly, lift the lid, so all the screws are still intact. So yeah, it's a very risky thing because if yeah, see, one screw already jumped out, and if for some reason you lose control and you like crash everything and all the screws jump out, you're gonna have a bigger problem of losing maybe 3 to 5 screws, especially if your floor is not that easy to, if it's going to be difficult to find screws on your floor depending on the texture of your floor. So here I have all the screws here still intact. I'm gonna put them aside here. Screw box here, container, and then let's see what we can do. I'm gonna put my battery away, and please, oh god, please be compatible or something, because I don't really want to end up with scrap material. No, it's this one. It's this one. I'm gonna change the position of this one so it's gonna be easier to see at the center. All right, so I go all in. I don't check before. I'm too lazy to check, so I'm just gonna unscrew the fan like I did before. and you know, check after I unscrew, you know. Ah man, my screw. Come on. Yep. So, and I think it doesn't, I think it won't fit. It won't, it just won't. Yeah, but honestly, put it. Oh man, this sucks. Is this supposed to be the same thing, or did I buy the wrong thing? You know, I remember specifically ordering this. But since, you know, I think the return policy and cost is gonna be more of a nuisance than, say, just, you know, trying to open this up and fix it. I mean, see, I don't know if is it visible? See, the fan is broken right here. You see this? You see this gaping hole? Yeah, that's the thing I broke. That's the thing I broke. I think it wasn't broken, then I broke it. Yeah, GG's. So what we're gonna do is figure out a way to open this up. I don't know how. Maybe I'll just have to rip this open. So how do you open? How do you open this? Oh, there you go. That was easy. You just snap it off. Or at least I'm assuming that is how you do it without breaking the thing. I'm gonna render this useless anyway because I'm not gonna be able to use this on any, you know, computer that I own because I only own one. Number two, what's the use? Yeah, right, like let's just snap these things off. Our fan, it has to be the same. Please, my God, please. Man, I can't, my hands, I can't steady my hands. Okay, so seriously this time I'm gonna, you know, no more delays. Let's just work as quickly as we can. Alright, so we've unscrewed that and you know, click this. It has a bigger, my original one has a bigger, you know, circumference than this other one, I think. Yeah. Whatever. Let's just try it. You know. I hope I don't break my current one any more than I already have. See? There we go. Easy peasy. Easy peasy only because I already broke it. So let's yeah. Let's go. Here we go. Do we have it? Yes. Yes. And let's go. Let's go and attach it. So this is the pin and this is the hole, and we're just gonna do that and hope that it's fixed. Like, it's supposed to be that easy, right? Supposed to be. Oh yeah. All right. Ah man, where did that screw go? I was just testing it. Stupid. What? Nice. Did I just lose that screw? Oh man, heck. I was slamming my laptop and the screw was just here. It was just here. Oh, it is a magnetized screwdriver. Okay. Me and my stupid assumptions. I assumed so because it was just, you know, this screwdriver was just one of the freebies in one of the, what was it, hard drives I bought. Alright, so we're gonna slap this back in. And really hope that it, you know, it works and there is no there's not going to be any problem. Like the fan. Let's hope and pray that the fan doesn't just fly off, because honestly, it may look like because just because I'm doing things the risky way. I've already done this time and time again. Ah man, where's the screw now? Again. I would just like to remind everybody that this is not how this is not optimal. Alright, so now that that's done, damn kids. I mean kids outside. They're alright, so where is my power? My charger. as you can see, it's running. I turned it on. Let's see. Let's see if and when I force the fan on. Voila! It works. You see? The fan works. Okay, I'll turn off the fan. Man, I don't know how am I supposed to do this without crashing my laptop? Okay, I turned it off. Yeah, see? It turned off. Turned off. Done. See? Turned off, and now it's turned off, and it's now on. Turn off, and come on, stop, yeah. And then turn on. On and off. On and off. Stop. Stop. There we go. All right. So that's it. I'm gonna shut down. I'm gonna hibernate. Put my laptop to hibernate mode again. And as you can see, this fan is still running because the CPU is working and the GPU is not. So now that that's turned off, let's go and let's put it back together. See? Much easier to put everything back together if and when you don't remove the screws, if you can manage it, because yeah, some laptops, when you remove them, all the screws just fly out because so I'm gonna screw everything back in, all the screws. I'm gonna put the screws back in. I'm not gonna screw anybody. Let's go. Let's go. I wish I had better tools, honestly, but this is the cheap way to do it. The really cheap way. If you look at my screwdriver, for crying out loud, it's just one of the freebies. Obviously, this is a $4 fan, or not even $4 to be honest. I bought it, opened it up, broke it because honestly it's just the wrong fan. I hope the fan doesn't underperform because the smaller fan. All right, so we are gonna Yep, bye-bye, new fan. You served us well. So I hope you can see my, get all of them out. My fans are now supposedly, 45 degrees. Let's get And let's hope that the GPU works. I mean, that it doesn't overheat or something. Well, you look at that. It currently says 52, 53 degrees. Yeah. See? There we go. Where's Genshin? Let's see. Is it now working? 56 degrees. Come on, yeah. So it's not gonna be working yet because you know, the game is still loading. Nothing. I don't know if you can see the load clearly because it's okay there. See, it's going up. The game has loaded, so it's now 62, rising quickly. 63 now, and if we boost it up to, like, let's say, yeah, everything high, please, high. Let's go to some, you know, awesome. Oh, Sumeru. Let's go to some part of the game where the graphics will just go crazy. See? The motion blur. GPU says it's good. It's under 70 degrees. So, all right. Did that do the job? I couldn't feel the motion blur. Motion blur extreme. Yeah, it says so extreme. I don't know. Let's see. How can I do this one-handed? All right. So yeah, it's now 68. We're good. You're good. Ah, man, yeah, 68, 69 degrees on the GPU, on max settings. We're good. Thank you very much, the $4 fan. This one, you served this good. Served this well. Thank you. And that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.